So this is the standard hose. Reduced it down to a smaller line and then looped it once here, and then ran the hose all the way up over that piece of plywood to the front of the bow as far as I could get it up there, and then brought it back, and then right here is another reducer, and that's so I could fit, upsize it to the original size hose and fit it onto the fuel tank. And basically what that does is act as a blocker. What used to happen was when the waves would come up, the boat would start rocking and the fuel would start sloshing and go blasting up the tube. And then go gushing out the vent line, or the vent, and it was not good. And so I thought by running the line all the way up, it would have farther to go, plus I reduced it to act as a blocker when that fuel came gushing up. And so far, it's worked out really well. I think I'm stuck.